Hello, my name is Dr. Kim Anderson-Ersman. I'm a research associate professor in the Department of Neurological Surgery, and I'm also the director of education at the Miami Project Cure Paralysis. My research background is quite varied. It spans from cellular and molecular neuroscience research as a graduate student to in vivo whole animal research focusing on cervical spinal cord injury models and forelimb function while I was a postdoctoral fellow, to human research as a faculty member. I purposefully gained experience in these three different areas. I wanted to use my unique experience and knowledge of living with a spinal cord injury, along with my research expertise in cellular, whole animal, and human research to make a unique difference in the research for spinal cord injury. As an associate professor here at the Miami Project, I have developed a research program focusing on issues of high priority to individuals living with spinal cord injury. Several of my studies have been surveys to obtain the perspective of these individuals on different aspects of research, including identification of functional priorities, acceptable benefits and risks to surgical interventions, preferences for neuroprosthetics, including those that are internal and external, and exercise participation. My recent project focuses on identifying the facilitators and barriers to clinical trial participation from the global SCI consumer perspective. In addition, along with Dr. Alan Levy and Dalton Dietrich, we lead our FDA-regulated Schwann cell clinical trial program. This includes a phase 1 trial targeting subacute spinal cord injury, which has ended enrollment and is in long-term follow-up, 2 expanded access trials for peripheral nerve injury, and our current phase 1 trial for chronic spinal cord injury, along with long-term follow-up. In my other role, I am the director of education, and this has many other aspects. Some of the primary duties in that role are to educate the public and the media about spinal cord injury and traumatic brain injury research that's being conducted at the Miami Project, and to describe how we are continuing to progress towards our goal of developing treatments. The Education Department provides tours of the Miami Project to people living with spinal cord injury and their family members, as well as to visiting scientists and doctors to relay the research that is being conducted here. We also write articles converting the Miami Project scientific findings into lay language to distribute in many different avenues, including our website, a magazine that we publish twice a year, and monthly newsletters. Another very big component of the Education Department is that we answer requests for information about our research programs, but also about injury prevention, clinical care referral, resources for living with paralysis, and advice about unproven therapies that are out there for spinal cord injury. We provide this information for thousands of people each year. We also assist our clinical research with subject recruitment and clinical trial management, and we facilitate collaboration with leading scientists in the field by coordinating a visiting lecture series. Finally, the Education Department also takes on the mission to educate and train our young neuroscientists by hosting an NIH-funded summer undergraduate research experience program each year. Those are just a few of our activities here, and we look forward to seeing you here at the Miami Project. Thank you.